Knuckles in.
Okay.
That way.
Okay. Behave yourself, will you?
And this is LATA 65, urban art workshop for seniors. All of them usually come to the class with a lot of misconceptions about what is graffiti or street art. I don't want them to change their idea about graffiti, about tagging. I want them to understand.
Graffiti annoys me. That's not art. Art is something where somebody's thought about the project. It's got a message. This is art.
We need to pick a name, okay? The Adelphi tunnel, the message Adelphi means brotherhood, so I think this is the perfect place to do the workshop here.
Gives you a great sense of freedom, let me tell you. For towns, it's such a way of brightening up spaces.
Age is just a number. Anybody can do this. I think it breaks down the barriers between the old and the young. There really isn't any difference.